friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see a new chapter, that is sound. What is a sound? The sound is a form of energy which causes the sensation of hearing. This sound helps us to communicate with one another. How does the sound produce then? This sound is produced due to the vibration of objects. What is this vibration? Vibration is nothing but the to and fro motion of an object. That is nothing but vibration. How does our voice box or layrnex work? In humans, this sound is produced by this voice box or layrnex, which is situated at upper end of the windpipe. It has two vocal cords that are stretched across this voice box in a way that it leaves a narrow space between them for the passage of air. Working of this voice box. How does this voice box actually work? When the lungs force air through the narrow space, these vocal cords vibrate, producing some sound. There, the muscles attached to these vocal cords can make them contract or relax, or tight or loose. There, the voice quality differs when they are thick or thin. Here you can see the narrow slit, and here you can see the muscles which can be contract or relax. Propagation of sound. How does sound propagate? Sound needs some medium to travel. These mediums can be solids, liquids and gases. This sound travels much faster in solids than liquids and gases. And the main point to remember is the sound cannot travel in vacuum. What is vacuum here? Vacuum is nothing but where there is no air. The particular state is called vacuum. For example, if you take a vessel and from that vessel you take all air out and the vessel is said to be in vacuum. That is an example of vacuum. Our ears. The shape of our outer ear is like a funnel, and the main part of this ear is eardrum, which is nothing but a thin stretched membrane. This eardrum sends vibrations to the inner ear, from where the signal goes to the brain. This is the outer ear, which is like funnel shape. From there the sound goes inside and touches this thin stretched membrane, that is eardrum, where the eardrum vibrates and which goes to the inner ears, and from there the signals goes to the brain. Oscillatory motion. The to and fro motion of an object is known as oscillatory motion, which is also known as vibration. Frequency. The number of oscillations per second or the number of vibrations per second is called frequency. This frequency is expressed in hertz. One frequency is equal to one vibration per second or one oscillation per second. Amplitude. The maximum extent of vibration or oscillation is measured is called amplitude. The loudness of the sound depends on this amplitude. If the amplitude is large, then the sound produced will be large. If the amplitude is small, then the sound produced will be feeble. Shrillness or pitch. So the frequency determines the shrillness or pitch of the sound. So this frequency plays an important role in determining the shrillness or pitch. So if the frequency of vibration is high, then the sound produced has a higher pitch. If the frequency of vibration is low, then the sound has lower pitch. Audible and inaudible sounds. So sounds that cannot be detected by the human ear are called inaudible sounds, and the sounds which can be detected by the human ear are called audible sounds. So the audible sounds are roughly from 20 to 20,000 hertz, which is nothing but 20 to 20,000 oscillations per second or vibrations per second. Noise and music. So noise is nothing but the unpleasant sound that we hear are called noise. And the music is nothing but the musical sound in which pleasing to our ear. Noise pollution. The presence of excessive unwanted sound in the environment is called noise pollution. What are the harms of this noise pollution? The harms of the noise pollution are high lack of sleep, high blood pressure. The person who is exposed to this noise pollution frequently may get temporary or even permanent impairment of hearing. How can we limit this noise pollution? First step is to reduce horns in the automobiles, and next one is keeping in low volume the music system and TV in low volumes. Next one is plantation of trees on the roadside, which can be helpful for reducing the noise pollution. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.